What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, guys, I'm gonna do something a little different. We ain't talking cryptocurrency this time. Now we're gonna be talking, well, stonks. All right, guys, why am I talking about stonks? Well, we're talking about cryptocurrency stonks. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys do three things: like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment in that description below saying you subscribed. You will automatically get thrown into that drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. All right, guys, me and Puffy the Mic going to break down why, in my case, for why I think Bitcoin stocks could be a good play. And not just Bitcoin stocks. We're talking about Bitcoin mining stocks. Why is that? Well, we just heard about all the China FUD, all this junk, all that junk. Anyways, guys, basically what happened was about over 50% of the hash rate just went down. What that means is the current computers and processors that are currently mining Bitcoin, well, what's going to happen? Well, they have a higher chance of earning Bitcoin, actually 50% higher. So basically what that means is if they were making $100,000 on their mining tokens, they're actually going to double on that. And actually, it would be exponential. It could possibly even triple because it's going to be easier for them to get rewards. If you guys don't understand how block rewards work with Bitcoin, right now it's 6.25 per block. What will happen is if you win it, you get that 6.25. If you lose, well, you get nothing. I mean, it's kind of like, well, if you aren't a big mining operation, is it worth it? Well, you got to join mining pools. So that's something to keep in mind as well. Now I'm going to give you guys a couple of stocks. They are in no particular order, but I'm going to explain to you my thoughts on them and what I think of them. Guys, just need 5 minutes of your time. Let's go and get into it. Obviously, the first one everyone knows about is Mara. Mara is a big company that everyone knows about. If you haven't heard of them, well, you've probably heard of Hut 8. Hut 8 and Mara are both big, but the reason why I talk about Mara and Hut 8 is look at their location: Las Vegas, Nevada. That's in the United States. So those mining rigs, they're going to be coming over to the United States, Canada. They're going to be coming to places where they're actually welcome. So Mara is one of them, and Mara has a pretty high hash rate. If you guys didn't watch my video, I made a full video on mining stonks about a month and a half ago. I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can check it out and figure out all the details on all these stocks. But I'm just talking about these just in general so you guys can see them. The next one is Hut 8. If you guys look at Hut 8, Hut 8 is also, well, where's it located? They're in Toronto, Canada. Why is Canada maybe a little bit better than the United States? Well, it's a little bit cooler up there. So it's going to save money, cost efficiency, and they can get a little bit creative with some more renewable energy. Not saying Hut 8, or I'm sorry, not saying Mara can't, but they're in Canada. They have waterfalls. They can set up solar panels. They have a lot of extra space because it's not as heavily populated as the United States. Here's some spec plays I'm looking at as well. Actually, before we get into the spec plays, let's talk about Hive. Now, why do I talk about Hive? Well, Hive is on the Ethereum side. There's really no big miners that are getting into Ethereum, and Hive actually holds most of their Ethereum that they mine. Why is that important? Well, Ethereum is going to staking. And when you're staking, well, what happens when you're staking? You earn more Ethereum. So it's kind of like what the pants. And they're really the only publicly traded mining company that mines Ethereum. Like, this is one of the largest ones. And I'm very bullish on Ethereum. Yeah, it is going to proof of stake. So mining is going to be put out. But as long as they're keep storing up their Ethereum tokens, well, they're going to have a huge bag of ETH. Next one is CleanSpark. Well, because CleanSpark is setting up the way for clean Bitcoin mining. And it's basically going to be the example that everyone will use, and they're showing how it's done. That's why I choose CleanSpark. It is a highly speculative one. It's not mining and doing as great as like a Mara, Hut 8. It's not producing as much as them, especially in the hash rate. But this is one of those things, like, we have a lot of FUD going on and may pick up some traction because people are like, oh, well, dude, they're doing clean energy and it's a lower market cap. So let's see what happens. And this one is a super low market cap. I mean, literally, look at this. 18,000. Actually, no, I'm sorry. That's 18 million. Wow. That is a low market cap. That's why I picked this one as a spec play, because you guys can see it came from 4 cents and flew all the way to 53 cents. That's like a massive spec play. Again, guys, this is not financial advice. You got to be super risky with this. You can lose a lot of money. But I do like seeing this. Their earnings are going up. Well, their losses are going up. So, well, down. Their losses are going down. So that's good to see. And they did just launch their mining operations earlier this year. Check out my full video explaining it, why I talk about Frontier. It's like one of those small spec play guys. This is like a penny stock. This is like big time, super risky. So keep that in mind, guys. The shares that I have of this are free at this point. I did buy some. I bought some like, no, it was like right here on a pump. Actually, it was about 4 cents. But anyways, I waited about a month, 2 months, and it went up here. I didn't sell at the top, man. I actually sold it like, what was it, 20 cents? And the rest of it's just free. So I didn't get the all-time top. I never hit the tops, man. I stink at that, man. I really do. And sometimes, actually, the best thing, I usually buy up here, and then I usually sell down here. All the time, man. It happens all the time. But anyways, guys, those are a couple of spec plays. I'll show you the different places you can get them. For Mara and for Hut 8, you can get those over on Webull. Webull has 2 free stocks. Actually, they are running a special for the next 10 days, I think it is, until the 20th, where you can actually get 4 free stocks. So if you guys want to check that out, you can sign up with Webull. All you got to do is deposit $5. And the other one is Robinhood. Robinhood, you just get a free stock. So nothing crazy. I mean, why choose one? Just sign up for both and get free stocks. I mean, that's what I did. I was just like, forget it. I'll just get 2 free stocks. And for something like the more speculative ones, like Frontier, you're going to, and DMGGF, I didn't show you that one. I'll show you that one in a second. You want to use something like Charles Schwab. I'll leave a link in the description below as well, where you can get any of these bonus tiers, where you can earn up to $500 in free money. I mean, dude, you can't beat free money. So the other one is DMGGF. This one is a really small spec. It's got like 100 million market cap. And as you guys can see, it can fly and it can dump at the same time. So keep that in mind, guys. Be careful with these. But the reason why I talk about DMGGF is because it's in Canada and it has a very high hash rate. I know you guys are asking me, why do I talk about hash rates? Well, hash rate is what you're looking for. Do you guys see on this Bitcoin hash rate chart? The higher this is, the more difficult it is to mine Bitcoin. So say I had 90, no, this is theta hashes. So if I had 90 million theta hashes, that means I would mine every single Bitcoin, every single block. But I don't have 90 theta hash. I mean, that would be so awesome. I'm sorry, not 90, but 90 million theta hash. That'd be so awesome if I could. But anyways, guys, that's just a quick overview of some ideas that I have on these mining stocks. I'll leave links in the description below of my older mining videos, just to show you guys proof it's not just like I'm just talking about this out of the blue. But if you guys enjoyed the video, 3 things: like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment in the description below saying you subscribed. You'll automatically get thrown into that drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. And guys, make sure you sign up to get those new stock or free stocks: Webull, Robinhood, and you can go on Charles Schwab to get those more speculative ones. Let's leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 21, verses 23. Those who guard their mouths and their tongues keep themselves from calamity. That's important, man. Don't let this thing, your tongue, like the same thing that loves people and hates people, don't let it be the controller. Don't let your tongue determine your destiny. So keep that in mind, guys. Dogs, gotta say thanks to the patrons: Sean Bott, Da Man, Tariq Lou, TL King, JP, PJ, Bernito, Taco Nacho. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright, guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind-the-scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bomb, bomb. Alright, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. All right, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it. So I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.